Okay, this is a little side job to do as part of the kitchen reno. This is all the mahogany trim that we removed from the door jambs and the window casings. There's a lot of it, and again, this is pure 100% solid mahogany, definitely worth repurposing and using for trim in the house. But first we're going to have to remove the nails. You can see they look pretty menacing sticking up like that. It's pretty easy, you just need a hammer, and the key is just to hit the nail straight on the tip, and it will knock it down. You want to knock the nail down to where it's flush. You don't have to pound on it. You're just really kind of letting the weight of the head strike the tip of the nail, and you use some moderate pressure. See, I do notice that, like for example, if the nail is in the middle of the trash can, it kind of presses on the board, whereas you're kind of near the rim, there's a lot more support, and you feel a lot more of a solid strike. So I'm just kind of moving this along. Some will be easier than others, and because of the length of the board, you're going to have to kind of move it around and pick it up. But once you get enough done, you can go ahead and flip it over, and now you see the job's pretty self-explanatory. These finishing nails should just come out very, very easy. If you can't grip it from one side very well, just turn the hammer around, and I haven't had any problems really getting these. And again, you are going to have to get the head of the nail right down deep into the claw of the hammer. But as you can see, it really just takes a couple minutes per board once you get cooking. These nails lift out very easily. Now I do want to show you one a hard nail. So what do you do when you come to a nail? I noticed this at the end of this board. You're going to notice that it's probably at the ends of the wood where it gets a little gnarly. And what I'm going to do, I just have a pair of needle nose. You can use a regular pair of pliers. You're going to want to bend that up. And basically, as best you can, almost reshape the nail to be as straight as it can be, to where you can pound it. We'll see what happens there. Now, you might not be able to pound that all the way through, but you can see you should be able to pound it enough to where you can get a claw on it from the other side. And these wiggly ones are a little harder, so you are going to have to use some muscle, and you want to go at it from both sides if you can. Sometimes, I'll just use this 2x4, a little trick I was shown. If you put a 2x4, it increases your leverage, and then you see how easy that was. So we'll cut a little scrap piece of 2x to use in case a difficult nail comes along, but that's how you would remove one of those curvy ones. You just kind of work it. It's not any more challenging than that. And we have a whole pile against the wall that needs to be done. So if you need something to do and you want to contribute towards the kitchen, you can start helping us by taking nails out of the wood. Any questions? Talk to Dad. Thanks.